Coconut oil is obtained from the nut of coconut palm, and it is blessed with innumerable health benefits. It is used for various purposes such as cooking, healing, and aesthetics. Dietitians suggest consuming them to virgin coconut oil as it is a lot more beneficial than refined or processed. Let us discuss in detail what happens to your body when you drink coconut oil every day. Number 1. Appetite-suppressant. Coconut oil curbs hunger due depending on the way how fatty acids are metabolized. Researchers reveal that people who eat a high MCT diet in their breakfast leads to a fewer calorie intake in the lunch with regulated blood sugar level. Thus, the MCT-rich content might be a positive factor for the people who drink a moderate amount of coconut oil in maintaining weight and perfect body composition. Number 2. Weight loss. Research suggests that drinking coconut oil every day helps reduce belly fat and aids in weight loss. It acts as a hunger suppressant and calorie burner. It is easily digestible fat compared to other edible oils and helps maintain the functions of endocrine system and pancreas. It speeds up the metabolic rate by burning energy and eases the stress on the pancreas. 3. Works wonder against infection. Coconut oil contains high content of lauric acid that is particularly beneficial in killing the harmful viruses, fungi, and bacteria. Virgin oil is the best alternative to enjoy potent antibacterial properties than refined oil. Consuming coconut oil leads to a reaction with enzymes to form monolaurin that works powerfully against hazardous pathogens. These substances also serve great in fighting against yeast infection. Number 4. Improves heart health. Coconut oil contains saturated fats that may not sound well, but the fats in the coconut oil serve you differently as compared to animal-derived fats. These fats are medium-chain triglycerides, MCTs, that are easily digestible and used by the body to produce energy. Several studies prove that you will notice a considerable improvement in your heart health when you drink virgin coconut oil daily for 10 days. Number 5. Antioxidants. Coconut oil is a rich source of antioxidants that avert cell damage due to free radicals. It also contains iron that is mainly responsible for carrying oxygen to all body cells. Coconut oil also comprises a minor amount of vitamin K that helps in blood clotting. So you may say that drinking 1 to 2 tablespoons of coconut oil every day helps heal wounds. 6. Enhanced HDL. Several studies acclaim that drinking coconut oil every day raises HDL or good cholesterol levels and reduce LDL. Number 7. Improved dental health. Chewing out is a remote way of removing plaque from teeth. Drink coconut oil daily and enjoy improved dental health as it helps kill harmful bacteria and significantly reduces the risk of cavities and other diseases harming your gums. Number 8. Aids in digestion. If you are suffering from a digestive problem, drink 2 tablespoons of coconut oil every day as it aids the body to consume fat-soluble components such as magnesium and calcium. It also fights candida and harmful bacteria in the gut that causes inflammation and leads to stomach ulcers. Number 9. Liver protection. Coconut oil also serves as a defender against liver diseases and treats several urinary tract infections. Number 10. Slow down aging. In coconut oil daily slows down the process of aging as it is rich in antioxidants that prevent cell damage and it averts undue stress on the liver. Risk factors. Apart from all the above-mentioned factors, remember that moderation is the key to success. Overconsumption of coconut oil may be harmful to your health in many ways. First of all, it is loaded with saturated fats, and when you overdrink coconut oil combined with a high-calorie diet, it may cause you overweight. Secondly, a moderate amount is good for heart health, but the American Hospital Association recommends consuming saturated fats not more than 6% of your daily calorie intake.
Anyways, let me know what you think about in the comment section below. I will see you all tomorrow. Don't forget to click the like button and share this video with your friends. Always stay tuned and subscribe to our channel by hitting the bell icon to see our latest videos. Thanks for joining us today.